Good morning, and welcome to this week's Fishing and Outdoors magazine. This is your host, Warren Ray. We're glad you chose to come along with us for this great day of excitement. So hang on to your hat, and let's get going. Hello everyone, thanks for watching. On this episode, we're at Lake Guntersville in Alabama, putting in at different ramps and trying different areas of the lake. I'm with Otis Darnell and his son Cody Darnell, who's age 13. This is his first trip to Guntersville. And later in this show, you'll see episodes from Smith Mountain Lake. So we're just going to go out fishing for a few days and try to catch some bass.
Oh, that's a big one. That's the one we're looking for.
Yeah, nice fish. Hey boy, been looking for you. Otis has got the biggest one today here on Guntersville Lake in Alabama. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful bass, brother. Videoing. Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah, beautiful. Guntersville, Alabama.
Ooh, Guntersville, Alabama's good too.
Otis, you know how to get everybody on them fish, don't you, brother?
I'm trying.
Hold your fish up. Let everybody see it. Beautiful. Great job, guys. Got us on a nice big sack of bass down here at Guntersville Lake in Alabama. Yeah, Cody, way to go, brother. Got him a nice big bass. Big live well bass there, dog. Yes, sir, baby. That's the way. Yes, sir. All right, boys and girls, you see how it's done. Cody's out here. How old are you, Cody?
13.
13, catching big bass on Guntersville Lake. All right, we're going to get back at it. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up.
Guntersville bass. Look how beautiful the color is in those fish. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Loving it. Yeah. All right. We're going to put it back in. Catch and release, everybody. Thanks for watching. Warren Ray, Fishing and Outdoor magazine.
There she is. Oh my God. Another good 5, 6, 7, 8.
Saturday morning, back on Lake Guntersville, folks. You're a good net man, Cody.
Good net man, Cody.
Hold him up. Let's everybody see what you got there, brother. That's what we're talking about.
No, why did you do it? I'll do a picture.
What, Cameron? What's your last name?
Tally,
Callie. And where are you from, brother?
Scottsboro, Alabama.
Scottsboro, Alabama, on Guntersville Lake. What's your name, brother? Larry.
Scottsboro, yes, sir.
He's from Scottsboro. And we sit here, and these guys have been catching bass with us, folks. And again, we just want to thank you for watching Warren Race Fishing and Outdoor Magazine. And like I tell you in every show, get your kids out. These young men are out here catching beautiful fish. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna pan around, let you look at the sun. Up, about gone. But it's been a wonderful day of fishing. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's like 10 inches over my head. We took the seats out. There you go. You can see the motor barely getting under the bridge. Oh, there's some more. Yeah, some more martin net. Ooh, barely clear. Inch or so clearance. To get back in this creek. Oh gosh.
There he is.
All right, good one. So if we can make something happen back here. Well, I guess Otis had to catch a drum fish. Anybody that's never seen one, Cody's going to hold him up, everybody, and let you see
If I hold him.
if he can get a grip on him.
You might need to give
Pretty good size one.
How big is
Wonder how much that drum weighs. That's probably about 8-pounder, ain't it?
About, yeah.
Man, pretty fish though. Guntersville Lake, Alabama. A drum. Ha, of all things.
turning fish right here, boy. Uh-oh, one hook come out. Mini buck.
Oh, it just came out. Look.
Ooh, nice. We found them.
Spit up a shad, didn't he?
Good Lord, we found them. They're here. We just got to figure out how to catch them.
Cody done went and caught a striper, folks. We don't know how big he is yet. This is his first striper he ever caught. 13-year-old fisherman out here with his dad, Otis Darnell, Cody Darnell, Smith Mountain Lake. First one. You said you was going to get you one, Cody. I'm proud of you.
Good God, what a striper.
Man. What's that, 12 pounds?
Good God. He ate that chatterbait too, dude.